So we press the power button, and nothing. If we try to charge it, this is its charger. The LED doesn't lit. If we try the charger to a phone, for example, it works as expected. So it doesn't charge and doesn't power on. It's a bit warm around here where the CPU is located, but that's it.